Stuck deciding between the two tax software giants? The best choice depends on your specific situation. Let's break it down. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, consider price and transparency. H&R Block often has a lower advertised starting price, but TurboTax is frequently praised for its more intuitive, interview-style interface. Think about which you value more, absolute lowest cost or guided ease. Next, look at your tax situation. Both handle simple returns well. If you're self-employed, investors, or have rental properties, compare the features and pricing of their self-employed or premier versions side by side. My crucial pro tip: start your return for free in both. You can begin your taxes in both TurboTax and H&R Block online without paying. Go through the steps until you see your final refund or amount due. Whichever feels easier and gives you a better result is the winner for you. It's not about which is universally better, but which is better for you. Which platform have you preferred in the past, and why? I'm curious to hear in the comments. For clear-cut comparisons to help you decide, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.